डोनाल्ड ट्रंप की रिलीफ रैली एग्जैक्टली एक ही सेशन चली. So the reality check is brutal. It's 4 a.m. Wednesday, March 25th, and welcome to the pre-market briefing. Yesterday, Nifty reclaimed 22,950 on pure hope. But while we were sleeping, Tehran called Trump's claim of a deal a fabrication. वो कह रहा fake news है. And now the Pentagon is moving thousands of troops from the 82nd Airborne to the Gulf. So today we are not planning to chase this bounce. We are going to play defense. In next 8 minutes, I'm going to break down why GIFT Nifty is flatlining at 22,930 and the impact of Bushehr nuclear plant strikes and why the FIIs just dumped 8,000 crores during a rally. So let's look at the tape. कल की पार्टी खत्म है, आज discipline. Let's talk about the FIIs. The institutional data from Tuesday, it tells you exactly what the big boys think of this rally. The FIIs, they used this 400-point jump as an exit door, selling a massive 8,000 crores. So they are not buying the stocks, they are liquidating. The DIIs, our local fund managers, bought 5,800 crores worth of stocks yesterday, but they were being overwhelmed by the global exit. Like every day, this was again a distribution day. The FPIs handed over their expensive shares to the retail and DIIs. When smart money exits 8,000 crores in a rising market, there is a massive warning sign. So don't be one of those who's holding the bag today, right? There is some problem. We must recognize it. So here is the midnight shift update that is killing the momentum. Nuclear tensions. Iran's atomic energy confirmed a projectile hit the Bushehr nuclear plant compound on Tuesday. Although no damage was reported, the IAEA is calling for maximum restraint. This is a major escalation. US military buildup. Despite Trump's talk of diplomacy, the White House confirmed Operation Epic Fury continues unabated. Thousands of US troops are now heading to the Middle East. उसने बोला कि हम सिर्फ oil refineries पर bomb नहीं डालेंगे ना. What kind of a piece is that? Brent crude hit a low of 96 yesterday, but has quickly climbed back to $100 per barrel. So as long as oil stays in triple digits, our rupee and inflation are in a danger zone. So what is the strategy for today? Yesterday was a classic short squeeze. So today is about whether the buyers have any real strength left. So the resistance 23,050 is now a supply zone. And yesterday, the market could not sustain above 23,000 despite the big news, which I had talked about yesterday morning. So the sentiment has not really shifted. If we break 22,850 in the first hour, so the Monday floor of 22,500 comes back into the play, which is 22,850 is the support now. So the strategy for today is that avoid fresh longs at the open. VIX is still elevated at 26.8 and this is a wait and a watch market. जल्दबाजी में capital मत छोड़ देना. ठीक है? Let's focus on few of the stocks for today. Reliance, Adani and some metals. Goldman Sachs upgraded Reliance to a buy with a target of 1910, citing high margins due to the oil spike. If the market falls, Reliance might be your only hedge for today. Adani Enterprises completed the acquisition of remaining stakes in IANS India. The group is still expanding despite the war, so watch the 808 level on Adani Green for institutional selling. And for the metals, the West Asia crisis is hitting metal prospects. Tata Steel fell 8% recently, and if China does not announce a fresh stimulus today, the metal sector will continue to bleed. So what is your Wednesday's roadmap? Expect a flat to a volatile start near 22,930. If the Nifty stays below 22,950 by 9:30 a.m., then it's a sell on a rise day. So the resistance for today is 23,050 to 23,180. The support is 22,850 to 22,620. Manage your risks, stay disciplined, and remember, अगर आप पैसा बचाओगे, तभी पैसा बनेगा. So I'll see you at the opening bell. Thank you for tuning in so early in the morning, and I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.